Fantastic attractions here, and we are at Universal's all-new Stella Nova Resort. Now, in a separate video, we're going to be walking around the hotel and showing you everything it has to offer. But in this video, we're going to concentrate only on the room tour. So let's check it out. Okay, so we're here at Stella Nova, and this is a standard room. So we have a closet here with your safe, a blanket, and you have iron, your ironing board, and your luggage rack. This room is very nice and bright, crisp white. And then, oh, you've got like a divider. And I believe there's a curtain. We'll look at that in a minute. But here is your vanity. Some room on the floor there. Some room here and there. A little bit of room on the vanity itself. There's your Stella Nova facial soap called Cosmic Ember. And this room has a tub, shower tub combo. Some more bar soap, and it has I believe that's probably, yeah, a shampoo and conditioner, Cosmic Ember again. And walk over here, you've got your how to adjust your temperature. And you've got a fridge here, and you've got a little Cuisinart coffee maker, and these are the flat pods. Over here we have some more charging space. And you've got drawer space here, 4 drawers. Room under there. No room under the bed, but you do have a curtain here where you can have some privacy for people getting ready. It's a beautiful room. So you got some light switches over there, and you've got a light here, the lamp here that looks like a mushroom. You've got some charging areas there, and you have a drawer there, no drawer in the bottom. You do have an alarm clock, and then you have a sort of a sofa and a table. And then this is a standard view room, and don't know, can you see it? I don't know if you can see it or not, but there's Helios. Didn't really show this before, but there are some additional lights on the wall. And just to let you know, the lighting in this room
is a little bit different from your normal lighting. It is motion sensed, and there may be a way to turn it off, but just know ours was pretty much configured okay. It did not come on, like if we got up during the middle of the night, it did not come on, but the bathroom was set to motion detected. And if you're taking a shower and it doesn't see motion for a while, that light will go off. Just know that just open the shower curtain and wave your hand and it'll come right back on. Just a warning also, housekeeping is now every other day at this resort and some of the other resorts. So we were not aware of that. It wasn't like that when we were just down there in November. But just know that housekeeping is every other day. The beds and the pillows were okay. The bed was maybe a little bit firm, but it was okay, and the pillow, was okay. I've heard other people saying some stuff about thin walls. We didn't run across that. I know there must have been a child above us, on the floor above us, because there was, like, in the mornings especially, we could hear running around. But not a lot. Voices, could be that there was nobody staying around us, I don't know. But we didn't have problems with thin walls like you do, let's say, at Dockside. Okay, that's it for this video. Be sure to look out for our hotel tour, and we'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe. Here's another video you might like.